Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to download video from Telegram using your mobile device. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. First of all, if you're using Android phone, don't worry because the process is still the same. So now just go ahead and open your Telegram. Then just go ahead and open the conversation where the video is at. Okay, so now I'm just gonna, for example, this is the video. So I want you to do is to click on the three little dots at the upper right corner of the screen, and you can see the save video option. So just go ahead and click on that, and video saved to photo, as you can see at the lower part of my screen earlier. So that's it. Thank you for watching our tutorial on how to download video from Telegram using your mobile device. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.